Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Karen. Today I am so excited to show you guys this empty house tour. It's been a long time coming. I've been searching for houses for about half a year now, and I feel like I finally found something that I absolutely love. Leo and I have always been a fan of getting parking at Target with a real Target parking lot, or even having Costco nearby, and we're just true suburban kids. So we get a little taste of that with this first home that we're going to show you. Alright, I'm so excited to show you guys, so let's come on inside. This first room right here, as you walk in through the door, is the living room slash kitchen. I fell completely in love when I first walked into here because I really am obsessed with an open floor plan. Something about the open floor plan just feels so airy and open and welcoming. As you guys can see, most of the fixtures here are brand new because this was just built this year, and we are the first tenants to ever live in this building, which is amazing. I don't have to sit my ass on an old tub. We have recessed lighting everywhere. The walls are painted a little bit like off-white with a little bit of gray tint to it. And the floors are all hardwood throughout. It has this like really nice gray undertone to it. So it's a really cool vibe that we got in here. Very clean and cool. What's up? All right, over here we have the kitchen. Everything, as you guys can tell again, it's brand new. All the appliances are new. And Leo and I are just so excited to have a new refrigerator. We've never had a new refrigerator with ice and water options with a light, guys. A dishwasher, pretty standard. Quartz countertop, that's also gray, with a cute backsplash here, which is also white and gray. It just gives a really clean vibe to it. Guys, here is the sink. What I'm obsessed about is actually this window here. I've always loved having windows in front of sinks as you're doing the dishes. I just feel like it's just so much more open. You can kind of think a lot when you're doing the dishes and so forth. I also really like the view outside. Just lots of green. I am a huge fan of nature. Microwave here, and then right over here we have a stove and an oven, which is all pretty standard. I just love how much space and cabinets there are for this kitchen. Right next to the kitchen we have a door, and this door leads to our tandem garage. It's just a standard garage, as you guys can see. But what we plan on doing in this garage is actually turning it into a full-time studio for filming my makeup looks and my lookbooks in here. There's so much space for the lights. And this is literally the most exciting part for me because the last apartment that we're living in right now is super cramped. Like, I have to squeeze behind to film and sit and find a space. So this is like a dream come true for me. I'm so happy about it. Here we have a door, as you guys can see. This door really attracted me because it has a really cute kind of barnyard vibe to it. This is just a half guest bathroom for the downstairs when you're just chilling on the couch and you need to use a wee or whatever. Let's go upstairs to level 2. Bedroom that you guys are about to see. This is the master bedroom. Come on, it has 2 windows, but what's exciting about this place is that it has a patio, a master bath, as well as a full walk-in closet. It is so freaking big. You can literally have a bed in here, and I'm just really excited because I have so much clothes. This can be like a glam area. What's up? Okay, over here is the second bathroom. Now this is a full bathroom with the same quartz countertops, as well as this shower, pretty standard. To our little patio. I'm really happy and excited about this because I definitely always wanted a patio and have some chairs here and fill this up with plants. I love plants. Are you gonna water it, Leo? Okay, this is the room right next to the master, and this is kind of what I'm gonna call Leo's office / guest bedroom. The closet is surprisingly like pretty big though. floor here actually is supposed to have our washer and dryer unit. It's just empty right now because the washer dryer unit comes in next week. All right, over here is our last bathroom. I'm calling this my oasis, I guess. This is where I'm gonna sit my butt in and do bubble baths. I've always been so terrified of sitting my butt in other people's like apartments that I'm currently living in, even because I just feel like other people's naked butts have sat on it and I don't want to share the same like surface that someone else's naked butt has touched. This to me is like such a plus because finally I can take bubble baths. AKA where I also will be filming some of my videos, like my favorites, or when I'm talking, or maybe my lookbooks, or whatever. I'm gonna turn this into like such a girly place. I wanna buy like a pink couch. I've always wanted a pink couch. I've always wanted like a vanity with the Hollywood light bulbs, the impression vanities. And I'm just gonna pimp out this place. And what's really exciting, come on in. What's really exciting about this room is that it's actually the brightest and the most lit, so it's perfect for filming YouTube videos. Look at that. Look at all these windows. Also, this is like my second closet. I think this is where I'm gonna put like my shoes and so forth. It's really big. Like, take a look at this. Come right back out. Okay, that wraps up this empty house tour. Oh, this is so exciting for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Kind of off tangent, my favorite channel to watch is HGTV, so I feel like I was one of those hosts, which is kind of like a dream of mine. But anyway, this was so much fun for me to walk you guys through my house tour, empty house tour. Once every room has been filled out to my desire, I will definitely be posting like a living room tour, a master bedroom tour, a Karen's office tour, you know, you get the gist of it. Hi Leo, tell me how you feel about this home.
I'm excited.
Is that it?
Yes, it's like an office.
Yay!
I'm excited. It's bright. It's blown out, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited we get to start a new chapter of our lives together. 2018 has been a good year so far. It's a good place to start work and yeah, have the kids, the dogs.
The doggos. I'm really excited too. This is like our first real house together, Leo.
Yeah, very well.
Thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of our journey. There's gonna be so many more videos to come, and woohoo! Alright, bye!